More. Got the lock loose. See if you can get it. This top section here, and it look better. That's all. You got to work it smooth. You wanted everybody to know that that was your real name. Down so that it'll take the clear cuts like I did that. Are you working here? This is what we're waiting on is. Well, normally we would take that dent out. I mean, this isn't terrible. Ink to dry again. Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Saturday evening out here in Kenny's garage. I just got back from the spaghetti dinner, and I wanted to check out what everything looks like. I haven't seen it yet. I can see it in the camera here, but I haven't really looked at it yet. Let's check this out together, huh? So looking at the hood, looks pretty doggone sweet to me. It does have junk in it, like we said, but it's got a nice shine to it. And it is smooth. There ain't nothing that feels much better as that. Side of the bed, I would say that's a spot-on match. Well, that should be a match, right? Because that's the same color. Underside of the fender. That all looks real nice. I think the boys are planning on putting it back together tomorrow, which will be good. Oh yeah. Looks real good. I'm super happy with it. Yeah, we clear coated the whole side of that bed. Should have just kept right on going. All right, that's all I wanted to do was jump out here and check this thing out real quick, see what it looked like. Myself, I am going to try and put some video together here before I hit the sack tonight, and hopefully have something for you guys to watch there Sunday morning. All right, guys, thanks for hanging out with us out here in Mongo's garage, and we will see you all very soon. Mongo Man's out. Love you guys.